Once upon a time in the buzzing city of Technopolis, two incredible robots burst onto the scene straight from the world's top science labs. Meet AMECA and Neo, the Batman and Iron Man of AI, ready to shake up the world of robotics with their amazing skills. Picture AMECA, graceful like a ballet dancer and as smart as 1,000 scholars combined. Cool, right? Now, meet Neo, a futuristic genius who solves problems faster than you can say algorithm. Together, this dynamic duo isn't just pushing the boundaries, they are smashing them. AMECA and Neo are turning science fiction into everyday life, transforming industries, and making our daily lives better. They are the ultimate game changers, proving that in the world of innovation, the sky is not the limit. It is just the beginning. Ready to dive into the world of AMECA and Neo? Buckle up because this adventure is about to get mind-blowingly awesome. This is NextGen AI Visions, where the future of humanity and technology meet. We are here to guide you through the wonders and weirdness of artificial intelligence. In the heart of Technopolis, surrounded by cutting-edge tech and innovation, stands AMECA, a true marvel of human-robot harmony. Imagine a figure that defies gender and race. With a sleek, gray rubber face and hands so fluid, they mimic human expression flawlessly. AMECA's appearance blends into any setting, offering an uncanny yet comforting presence. But AMECA isn't just a pretty face. It is designed to interact authentically with its surroundings, equipped with microphones, cameras, and advanced facial recognition. It can engage in natural conversations, nod in agreement, or listen intently, each interaction feeling remarkably lifelike. Underneath AMECA's sophisticated exterior lies a powerhouse of technology. With 24 motors for facial expressions, 20 motors per arm for precise movements, and 12 motors per hand for delicate tasks, AMECA is more than capable. It's versatile. It plays games, solves puzzles, and showcases its intelligence in ways that redefine what robots can do. Beyond tasks, AMECA's artistic talents shine brightly, thanks to collaborations with top minds at the University of Bristol and the University of Bath, and funding from the Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council. AMECA creates art that's as innovative as it is captivating. Using GANs and style transfer, it produces stunning images from text and random data, blurring the lines between technology and creativity. Now, let's get to know Neo. Its design is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Think futuristic astronaut, ready for adventure. With sleek modular parts that can be swapped out for different tasks, Neo is a master of adaptability. Need to navigate rough terrain? Swap his legs for wheels. Neo's got arms, legs, high-resolution cameras, powerful speakers, sensitive mics, and an array of sensors to seamlessly interact with its environment. Powered by the AI wizards at OpenAI, Neo is a brainiac. Thanks to GPT-4, Neo can chat like a human, generate text, and even write codes. DALL-E allows Neo create stunning images from text, while Codex makes it a coding guru. Clip enables Neo to recognize and interpret images and videos, making it a visual and textual whiz. Neo learns continuously, understands complex demands, and creates diverse outputs, making it a versatile genius. Neo's modular design means it can quickly adapt to any task, whether it's navigating tricky terrain or performing delicate operations. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, it communicates effortlessly with other devices. Real-time feedback from its sensors allows Neo to adjust on the fly, making it highly responsive and adaptable. Now, imagine if your favorite art teacher teamed up with the ultimate tech wizard. Enter AMECA and Neo, the Batman and Iron Man of the AI world. These two robots showcase the wild, wonderful possibilities of robotics, each with their unique flair. But what makes them so special? Let's break it down. AMECA is like the artsy sibling who brings creativity to life with a wave of its robotic hand. It's all about human-like interaction and artistic flair. AMECA's sophisticated motor control and artistic techniques make it a master of visual expression. Neo, on the other hand, is a genius multitasker, packed with the latest AI tech. It's the ultimate problem solver, adapting to new challenges and learning on the fly. Whether it's generating text, creating images, writing code, or interpreting visual data, Neo's got it covered. Imagine a world where AMECA's artistic talents and Neo's tech smarts join forces. Imagine AMECA painting a digital masterpiece while Neo codes an interactive virtual gallery for you to explore. They're not just robots, they're your creative partners in crime, ready to make the impossible possible and take your breath away. Together, they're not just pushing the envelope, they're turning it into an origami crane and launching it into the future. They highlight the diverse possibilities of robotics, showing us that the future isn't just about robots helping us. It's about them inspiring and evolving alongside us. As AMECA and Neo continue to push the frontiers of AI and robotics, their integration into society brings both immense benefits and significant challenges that require careful consideration. The game-changing benefits are personalized learning, revolutionizing entertainment, boosting productivity, and sparking creativity. AMECA and Neo can tailor educational experiences to individual students, making learning more engaging and effective. Picture AMECA guiding a child through a complex math problem with a patient, human-like touch, or Neo providing instant, insightful feedback on a coding project. These robots can create immersive and interactive content that captivates audiences. Imagine watching a movie where Neo helps generate the plot in real time, based on audience reactions. Or AMECA performing a live art demonstration that feels like magic. In industries like manufacturing, healthcare, and beyond, their ability to perform complex tasks with precision can skyrocket efficiency. Think of Neo diagnosing diseases with pinpoint accuracy, or AMECA assembling intricate components with the finesse of a master craftsman. Whether through drawing, writing, or solving complex problems, these robots can open up new avenues for artistic and intellectual exploration. Imagine commissioning AMECA to create a unique piece of art for your home, or Neo brainstorming innovative solutions to global challenges. Of course, things are not always sunshine and rainbows. There are some shadows and gloom too. The challenges and ethical dilemmas are job displacement, privacy and security, and fairness and transparency. One major concern is the potential for job displacement. As robots like AMECA and Neo become capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, there could be significant unemployment in certain sectors. How do we balance technological advancement with the need to protect livelihoods? Ethical considerations arise around privacy and security. How do we ensure that the vast amounts of data these robots collect and process are handled responsibly? The risk of misuse or unauthorized access to sensitive information is a critical concern. Ensuring that AI technologies are designed and used responsibly is crucial. This includes creating regulations and guidelines that govern the development and deployment of AI robots to safeguard societal well-being. How do we make sure AI decision-making processes are fair and transparent? AMECA and Neo, the artistic genius and the ultimate problem solver, are redefining what robots can do, from transforming education and entertainment to revolutionizing industries with their precision and creativity. As they push the boundaries of AI, they bring immense benefits and significant challenges that we must navigate carefully. Well, as they say, everything has its yin and yang. AMECA and Neo are truly innovative creations, but there are also important issues we must address. We want to hear from you. What got you buzzing about the latest in AI and robotics? Is it the idea of personalized learning with AI tutors, or the thought of robots performing live art demos? Perhaps you're excited about robots transforming industries and boosting productivity like never before. On the flip side, what keeps you up at night about these advancements? Are you worried about job displacement, privacy issues, or the ethical dilemmas that come with AI decision-making? Your thoughts, hopes, and concerns are crucial as we navigate this brave new world together. Share your insights in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you think we're awesome and you love this video, click the like, share, and subscribe buttons for more educational, thrilling, and amazing content. Stay updated on the latest trends in the AI industry. Stay tuned and see you in our next video.